Так.
Alright people, welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh Esperanto Asasio. Alright, today I am one of the best beach, or this is very tall, beautiful beach here. We call that Langee. Okay, mean that not every single people, not every single one people came here or living here. Not many people know the location. We have to cross mountain. From the jungle, and then man forest, animal here, game here, and then so many people know about location, right? If you want to visit Aceh, they be very cold here, it's very tough people know what, because you couldn't find your life, because this is very totally beautiful place, and then forward, Sabang Island, very famous location, very long time ago, when Japan came and take Aceh at the time. We have, cast there, friends, the south or war at the time over there. But it's very lonely. We call that the lonely beach. The lonely beach, no actually people know the location, not so many people. Because, when you got involved in the mountain, that you can spend your life, all your life, everything about that, you will be dying. Because, the mountain very totally high, so you couldn't pass that, because this is very totally favorable, right? If you want to visit Aceh, don't forget to visit here. Don't forget to stop by here. This is very awesome, right? That's awesome.